Two-thirds of our body is made up of water. For proper functioning of our body, adequate amount of water is essential. But if we consume this adequate water in a wrong way, it can cause severe problems like migraine, joint pain, indigestion, allergies, lethargy, kidney, and even heart problems. And the bitter reality is that 99% of the people are drinking water in the wrong way, due to which they are unintentionally harming themselves. So, if you want to know the right way of drinking water, keep watching. Welcome, friends, to my channel How to Do This. Now it's time to explore what, when, and how to drink water to ensure its maximum benefits to our body. Now, starting from the fifth reason you have been drinking water the wrong way is drinking water before and after the meals. Friends, most of us drink water immediately after the meals, which is the major cause of indigestion and gaining of weight. So, instead, we must prefer drinking water before the meals. Now, the reason number four is speedy drinking of water. Friends, most of us drink water hurriedly when we are thirsty, but it is not absorbed by our body, instead, causing our body to get fat. Do you want to get fat? Of course not. Then drink water just sip by sip. The third reason is chilled water intake. Most of the people, when come sweating or when the body temperature is high, they prefer drinking chilled water to get instant relief. But it is dangerous because it can lower your blood pressure immediately and can also cause sore throat, joint pains, and decrease heart rate. So prefer normal water, or you can also store water in earthen pots to get maximum benefits. Now, the second reason is drinking excess of water. Friends, you must have heard that excess of everything is bad, and so is true for the case of water also. Though proper hydration is necessary for the body, but if you intake water more than your actual capacity, then it can cause swelling in your body, which too can be dangerous if swelling occurs in brain. Now, the first and the most important point is drinking water while standing. Most of the people drink water while standing, walking, which disturbs the balance of fluids in the body and lead to severe joint pains and arthritis in future. So make it a must to sit and drink water sip by sip to keep your body fit today, tomorrow, and throughout your life. So these were the 5 mistakes you must never make while drinking water. Now the question arises, when and how to drink water. So, the first thing is that you must have a glass or two of normal or lukewarm water in the early morning. And secondly, you can have water 30 minutes before your meal or 1 hour after your meal. Also, you might have seen your parents or grandparents drinking water kept in copper vessels. Yes, I must tell you that water, if kept in copper vessel overnight and consumed early morning, is proved to be scientifically beneficial for the body. So, friends, I'm sure this video is going to be very beneficial for all of you. So, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video with a new answer to how to do this.